Render projected to increase 1.7% by June 26, 30 rates data indicates. Before anything else, let's check the chart conditions. Render has seen a 3.2% dip over the last day and is now trading near $1.547. Let's look at the forecast from each analyst. According to Digital Coin Price, the asset may drift down to $1.525 by tomorrow, a decrease of nearly 1.6%. CoinCodex expects Render to fall to $1.548, a projected decrease of about 0.1%. CoinLore points out it could strengthen to $1.57, a move up of approximately 1.4%. A different analysis from 30 rates shows Render could progress toward $1.575, roughly 1.7% higher. Finally, Golf Capital Collector projects the price at $1.591 by tomorrow, 2.7% above current price. It's the most lucrative outlook overall. That's all for the forecasts. Let's check what's next in the data. Let's sum up what all 5 analysts expect based on their forecasts. After pulling together all available outlooks, the market may move between a decline of 1.6% and a gain of 2.7%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, Golf Capital Collector comes out on top with 2.7% boost in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could earn between $1 and $27 for every $1,000 you invest. When evaluating probabilities, CoinCodex's forecast has proven to be the most reliable, with a 97.8% chance of success. From the 5 analysts' forecasts, I've outlined one combined consensus scenario. The consensus forecast points to Render reaching about $1.562. Alright, let's dig in. The consensus expectation is for an increase of 0.8%. In that scenario, your capital could also see a rise of about 0.8%. On a 1,000 example, that could work out to around $8 in potential profit. And the likelihood of the consensus forecast on Render being realized is placed at 96.9%. To move things along, let's check the 3-day outlook as expected by analysts. Digital Coin Price signals a short-term move lower. CoinCodex sees the chart leaning upward. Also, CoinLore highlights the likelihood of a climb in price. 30 rates expects the chart to tilt downward. Golf Capital Collector signals a likely move upward. Overall, the consensus delivers a bullish message, showing that Render is leaning upward. In conclusion, the majority view highlights a bullish short-term outlook for Render. 5 forecasts came in 2 days ago. Yesterday revealed how close they were. As a result, the actual price settled around $1.582. The majority of analysts got the direction right. The prediction that stood closest to reality came from CoinLore. Let's break it down now. 3 forecasts stayed within the candle's range. When it comes to ROI, all forecasts ended with gains. And here's the daily recap. The full picture of forecast accuracy in one frame. Also in today's table, Digital Coin Price had 49.2% forecast probability, $0.122 accuracy, and 0.6% ROI. Take a moment. Who do you think made the most accurate forecast? Let's see how tomorrow's forecast-based returns vary between Render and several others. Render is outperformed this time because optimism holds the leading spot with 2.8% potential profitability. Here we're looking at Render next to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability comparison is now live on my website. If you're keeping an eye on Render, hit like so I know these updates are useful for you. See you in the next update.